device today available from the market, although not manufactured in India so far. And Servomex is also foraying into this particular technology, developing Indian own developed solar grid tie inverter. These are the few requirements. I just put in. Pulping could be between 80 degrees centigrade to 130 degrees centigrade. Paper drying is invariably, I have noticed, 120 to 150 degrees centigrade. Pulp bleaching could be 70 to 90 degrees centigrade. And if you go in for a parallel generation, it could be between 200 to 300 degrees centigrade, or if not more. Now, what can be with our in-house solar technologies deployment? What can be possible? Pulping, yes, 100%. Pulping requirement can be met with for 100%. Paper drying can be met with for 100%. Pulp bleaching also can be met with for 100%. But electrical energy, it could be either a supplement or 100%. But I would rather prefer it as a supplement because of the fact that if you go in for a 100% deployment of solar energy, the requirement of the solar farm and the peripheral equipment becomes very large, and also the cost of investment becomes very high, due to which the return on investment may not show you a figure what you would otherwise like. This is the thermal energy requirement, again stating the pulp and paper requires around 180 degrees centigrade approximately maximum. Now looking at this, 180 degree does fall under very much capability of any solar system properly engineered. Now this is CO2 savings. I'm not getting into much of it. Now one more application we can think of is the refrigeration and air conditioning through absorption machines or adsorption machines or open loop sorption machines. These are the three major technologies apart from the photovoltaic, standard photovoltaic power generator, which will power through the inverters, which will power the ACs and refrigeration systems. Now Germany has done, this is a 2007 record. Germany has done around about 120 installations of 12 megawatt total, and they have employed 3 meters square for 1 kilowatt.